Our protocol demonstrates a simple method to fabricate organic molecule-doped hybrid lipid membranes. The air-stable property of the membrane can extend the application of lipid bilayer structure to solid-state devices. We use a self-assembly process to form hybrid lipid membranes with a thickness of several nanometers. This protocol is simple and easy to follow, and doesn't require complicated equipment.
This method can be used to fabricate ultra-thin biohybrid lipid membranes and can be readily adopted to biosensors and other sensing devices.
Working in an anaerobic glove box, dissolve copper phthalocyanine in chloroform inside a washed glass vial to prepare a 10 mg per milliliter copper phthalocyanine stock solution. Filter the solution through a 0.2 micrometer PTFE membrane. Mix the DPHPC solution with a vortex mixer at 2,300 RPM for 10 seconds. Then rinse a glass microsyringe with chloroform 5 times and use it to transfer 200 microliters of the solution into a pre-washed glass vial. Evaporate the solvent in the vial with a gentle stream of nitrogen. Rinse another glass microsyringe with chloroform. Then use it to add 202.6 microliters of chloroform to the glass vial with DPHPC.